Hi everyone, I am Jamie Maesri from Northwest Arkansas. That's the top little corner in Arkansas, Walmart world, if you don't know where that is. And I am a wife and a mom of four. And I started Zingular about 12 weeks ago. Actually, it was exactly 12 weeks ago today that I started my 8-day jump start. And so I'm just here to tell you a little bit about my story. I won't go into all the details, but about 7 years ago, I entered into perimenopause, which just literally set off a domino effect of a lot of things going wrong. Weight gain, thyroid issues, adrenal issues, extreme fatigue, cortisol imbalances, hormone headaches once a month that would last 3 to 4 days that nothing would touch. And also a lot of moodiness. I think I may have mentioned extreme fatigue, but it was so extreme that I'll mention it again. And then some blood sugar issues. And so I was waking up every morning thinking, oh my gosh, is this my life for the next 40 years or however many years I have left? But was not looking forward to that. So I had tried everything. I am not a person that gives up easily. I exhausted every resource that I had. I dug in and did a lot of studying, trying to learn a lot about thyroid and adrenal stuff and hormone stuff. I tried a lot of natural things. I tried a lot of supplements. I did a lot of different diets, some crazy, some not healthy, others that were supposed to be healthy and work really well, and nothing would work for me. I had what I will call a hormone baby belly because that's where most of my weight gain was. By the end of the day, I looked about 6 or 7 months pregnant, and that's just not a good feeling. Was not something that I enjoyed daily. So I stayed in a lot, had kind of lost some motivation to go out and be with my friends and family, and just kind of was able to just be a recluse, and that's not me at all. I am super energetic, I'm high energy, and I love to go to lunch, I love to go to dinner, I love social events, and that had just all stopped for me for a lot of reasons. Not feeling good was one, and not liking the way that I looked was number two. So anyway, the weight just kept coming on. I could be in the same room as a cupcake and I could gain weight just looking at one, and it was really frustrating. So about 4 years ago, I had to diet just to not gain weight at that point. And then a year ago, that had stopped working for me, where I was dieting and I was still gaining weight. So just in the last year, I'd put on 10 pounds, and I had already put on 20 before that, with all of the different health issues and struggles that I had. So was about 30 pounds heavy. I'm 5 foot. 5 foot even, no inches there. And so being that short, every little pound, like you can see it everywhere on my body, and it does not feel good. So I had been invited to a success page where everyone was sharing before and after pictures, and I was watching and I was impressed, but it was like, yeah, that's probably not going to work for me. Nothing else has worked for me, until I found out that the company had a 100% money back guarantee and also a 94% success rate. And that really caught my attention, because if a company can say they have a 94% success rate with their products, there's a pretty good chance that it might work for me, and I was willing to take that chance. And so I ordered my products from someone I had never met before and was super excited. I kind of just say it was that last little bit of hope that I had. I was very excited about getting that in the mail, and got started on it about 4 days before I went out of town. I was getting ready to go on vacation, and I just could not wait to start. So I started it. I finished it on vacation. By the third day, I woke up on my own without an alarm clock, about an hour early, which is saying a lot. And on day 8, I was still waking up. I was full of energy. I had lost 6 pounds and 8.5 inches. I have gone on in 30 days, I lost 13 pounds and 15 inches, and just in 60 days, I've lost 20 pounds and 18 inches. And that is huge for me. I've gone down 2 sizes in my clothing, but more than that, more than the weight, just getting my life back and being able to be myself, feel like myself again, and enjoy going to lunch, enjoy being social, enjoying my kids, and just enjoying life again. And so I love the opportunity that's been brought to me. The people that I have met in this company are amazing, and to be joined to the caliber of women and men that I've met, I'm so excited. Absolutely love it. When I jumped in and started losing weight, I started sharing with all my friends, and just kind of like the stories that you've already heard shared here tonight, I could not help but share. I was not looking for a business. I was not looking for extra income. Remember, I didn't have the energy to even get up and go to lunch, so I was not looking for anything extra in my life at that time. But I could not wait to share, and had friends jumping on board left and right. So in the last 12 weeks, on my team, we have almost 40 distributors. We've helped 163 customers start getting healthy, start feeling better, start losing weight. And the income is crazy. I've earned 2 free trips with the company, and I'm actually really close to earning a third. Have another month of qualifications for that, and so I'm really excited about that. I've earned a little bit over $12,000 just in the last 12 weeks. And just by sharing my story, just by sharing with others to give them hope and to give them an opportunity to try what I tried and to feel better and to feel like themselves again. So I love it. Get back with the person that invited you here. Listen to all the other stories. I know we have one more person that's going to be sharing with you. So stay tuned, refresh your page for that. And thanks for letting me share with you guys tonight.